warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, student. How are you today? I think you fine in today. Okay, now we will study about announcement. Do you know what is announcement? I think you don't know about what is announcement. Okay, I will tell you and you can write down in your paper. Okay, now what the meaning of announcement? Announcement is an information about verbally and in writing aimed at other people and general public about certain information. The social function of announcement is first giving an information, second to influence or to persuade, and the third is to give information formally to others of certain event, and the fourth is communication tool, and the second is kind of announcement. I have some pictures. First is this. This is example of public service announcement. Public service announcement is a message in the public interest disseminated without charge, with the objective of raising awareness of and changing public attitudes and behavior towards a social issue. Jadi ini tuh announcement-nya bisa ditemukan di tempat umum. Seperti ini contohnya, tolong buang sampah di tempatnya. And the second is high school graduation announcement. It is a notice intended for students after they have taken the exam on to continue their university. Jadi announcement ini diberikan kalau kalian tuh udah lulus. Ini undangan dari sekolah mungkin atau dari teman kalian mungkin. And the third is job announcement. Is a notification for a company that requires someone to be employed in his company. Jadi ini tuh lamaran kerja atau ada suatu perusahaan yang butuh sama pekerjaan. And the fourth is weddings and marriage announcement are a notice for attending a wedding. Jadi ini tuh undangan. Okay, the last is generic structure of announcement. The generic announcement is have five. First is title. Title is that's what the title of the announcement. And the second is stating purpose. And the third is stating day or date. And the fourth is stating place. And the five is the information sender, who is organizing the event, and the contact person who is normally contact. Jadi ini tuh untuk menghubungi contact person. Okay, I think enough about this material today. Now I give you some text to do homework. This, and you can give me tomorrow. Okay, I think enough. The bell is ringing. Now we finish our study by say hamdalah together. Oke, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, the conclusion material today is announcement. Announcement are very simple to study in high school, and announcement are important to high school and your public, because announcement is very important. In this teaching, I teach announcement about three materials. First, meaning, and second is kinds, and third, generate structure of announcement. And the last, I give some text to do homework for student. Okay, I think enough for the conclusion of material announcement. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.